Hello traders, Jason here with swinghigh.com. It is Thursday, October 29th, 2009, and we're up nicely today. The SPY, the S&P 500 is up 1.3%. The Dow is up 1.09%. The NASDAQ up 1.3% as well. The small caps, the Russells, up 1.83%. And the financials up 2%. So the Russells and the financials are definitely leading the way here. So that's showing some relative strength there. Those are normally leading indexes, and that does support the bull case. The question today is this a sympathy bounce or another swing low? We'll talk about that more in a second. But basically this morning we had jobless claims and GDP come out better than expected at 8:30, which is why on the pre-market data for all of these charts you're going to see a big spike at 8:30. Just that's the cause of that candle right there. One thing. So far the volume today is relatively light. If I do want to mark this as a swing low here, I'm going to want to see much higher volume on this up bar, and I would like to see a close above the high of yesterday, so above 106.6 on SPY. Let's take a look at the market internals. The VIX is bleeding out nicely today, down 8.63%. That is huge. So according to the VIX, the markets could be down almost up almost 3% today. We're not seeing that, but there is a lot of fear leaving the markets today, shown by the VIX. The tick is obviously bullish today. Most of the marks are above zero, and the trend is also obviously bullish today, hovering between 0.8 and 0.5, meaning more volume is flowing into stocks on the rise than on the decline, so that is obviously bullish. Let's look at a higher time frame here. Here's the SPY again. This could be a higher swing low here, continuing an uptrend. Keep in mind that we did break out of this large rising wedge formation, and that should act as resistance on the way up. Also, we broke under our 50-day moving average yesterday, but today we are above that, so that could be acting as support here. The Russells confirmed a double top yesterday by breaking under this low of 57.53. Right now they are above that low, so it's a tough call here. The double top is confirmed, but if we do see more upside here, I would like to see a break of the highs at 62.50 in order to nullify or make that double top not significant. We'll see what happens there. One trade, or a couple trades I made in the past 24 hours. Last night I dumped my SPXU for a good 5% gain on the day. Got in pretty much at the lows yesterday and sold after hours at pretty much the highs. Looking back, that was a good move, not only because it would have I would have lost all my gains today, but mainly because I made a prudent decision not holding over GDP and jobless claims. It could have gone for me, sure. The SPXU could have been at 48 today. Could have very well been that high, but at the same time it could have done what it did today and gone against me. So I thought it wise to just take my profits and see what happens today. This morning when I saw that the reports were going to be good, or that they were good, I got in at 38.27 on TNA, sold at 38.75 on a small pullback. Show you that in a second. On this tiny pullback right here, I got stopped out, so my stop was probably a little too tight. Thanks for being a part of swinghigh.com. Check back later for your post-market analysis.